Hello, in this video we gonna learn to format pendrive as well as memory card. Let's start. Insert your pendrive or memory card into your laptop. Then go to command prompt. Now you need to write a command. Type dixpart. This command opens dixpart.exe. Some of the laptops take a few seconds to open this. After opening dixpart.exe, type command list disk. Now two disks are displayed. Since my disk is disk1, type a command select disk1. Now you need to type clean. Then type create partition primary and hit enter. The final command for format process is to type format quick. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.